Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing unity. Unity can be defined as a state of being united. United can be defined as joined together for a common purpose or by common feelings. Also made into or caused to act as a single entity, in harmony or in agreement. Similar to togetherness and oneness, the opposite of divided. I could be mistaken, but I feel that most people would measure how successful something is at uniting people by the number of people that it unites. I would also say that similarities are the main uniting force and differences are the main dividing force. I'm not saying that everyone has to be the same person because I'm under the belief that there are no two people that are exactly the same. Identical twins would be very close as regards to physical characteristics and upbringing, but they still experience life from two different points of view. It is more so that I think focusing on the similarities that one person has with another unites, whereas focusing on the differences divides. Religious beliefs, political views, age, gender, sexual orientation, language, physical appearance, national origin, culture, desires, interests, hobbies, and values are some things that unite people. Interestingly though, those same things also could be huge causes of division. Me personally, I believe religion is the most successful in that it unites the most amount of people throughout the world. You have potentially billions or hundreds of millions of people believing and practicing the same thing and trying to do so for their entire life. I feel it is a lot easier to focus on the similarities you have with someone if you and the other person have many things in common. And practicing the same religion as someone else makes you have lots of things in common. To illustrate the power to unite that focusing on the similarities a person has with another, I'll give an example. You have one man born in California and another man born in New York. One is white and the other is black. One has blonde hair and the other has black hair. One is 5'10" and the other is 6'2". One is an only child and the other has 5 siblings. One is a Democrat and the other is a Republican. One went to school to be a lawyer and the other a doctor. They both end up going to Florida for vacation and end up sitting near each other at a bar. Turns out they're both there to watch their favorite football team play, which ends up being the same team. They get to talking about how the game is going, how their team has been playing this year, and what each hopes the team will do going forward. So you could say that they are united in their interest of a sports team. Now that wasn't a life or death situation, and some may think that it isn't a big deal. But they had many differences that could have made them not want to be anywhere near each other, let alone carry on a conversation with each other. Yet focusing on the one thing that they shared in common led to a friendly outcome. The opposite tends to be true as well, unfortunately. I think as humans that we have so many similarities with each other that the differences are almost non-existent. Yet many choose to focus on the differences and they can't fathom that there are people in the world that don't think or act exactly as they do. People can be born in the same town, grow up in the same neighborhood, go to the same school, be the same race, speak the same language, practice the same religion, have the same friend group, and have the same hobbies, and find out that the other person has a different opinion than them on one political issue and end up not wanting anything to do with that person ever again. Many families are dealing with this, and I think it's a serious problem. And as always, though, these are just my opinions, so feel free to agree or disagree with the things that I've said. I'm not trying to tell anyone what to do or how they should think. I do have some thought-provoking questions that I would like to ask the viewers to get their viewpoint on this topic, though. What do you think is the most effective uniting force? Is it possible to be united with those that seem to think or act the complete opposite of you? Are there similarities that all humans share that could be used to unite everyone? Why do people focus on differences instead of similarities in the first place? Is being united always better than being divided? Can unity be forced? So I thank you for tuning in to Mo's Forum. Feel free to like or dislike the video, subscribe, share, and comment. I'll be looking forward to what you all have to say. So let's continue to grow and improve and get wiser every day. And until next time, take care.